Hello, this is Las Vegas Lockpicking, and what I have for you today is an American lock, model 1100. We're going to go ahead, pick it open, take it apart, see what we have inside, and then we'll go ahead and put it back together just for fun. Go ahead and put it up into the vise. And then let me check the focus on my camera really quick. Perfect. I'm going to be using top of the keyway tension and a standard hook in 18 thousandths. Nothing on 1, 2, 3 is binding, doesn't want to give us anything. Little click out of 4. Is that 4 or 5? That was 5. Here's 4. Nothing on 4. Go back to the front. Little click out of 1, maybe. That was 2. 2 doesn't want to do anything for us. Neither does 3. Neither does 4. 5, another click. We'll go backwards. 4, nothing. 3 is loose. Might have overset 5. Oh, there we go. Released some tension, got a click back from 5, brushed 3, and now we're in a deep false set. Counter rotation on 1. No, we're so close. Did I get one set? I think I got one set. Counter rotation on 2, and we got it open. Excellent. Alrighty. Go ahead, take it out of the vise. We'll set that right there. Let me grab my pinning tray. Alrighty. And then let's check the zoom. That'll do just fine. Alrighty. Everybody's seen one of these taken apart, so I don't need to bore you with the boring details. There's a screw down the shackle hole. We'll just take that out. Retaining plate's gonna drop out, cord's gonna drop out. Screw comes out of the top. Set that off to the side. Let me grab a C-clip wrench. Get this C-clip off. We can actually go ahead and lock that back up. We've got a key right here. That's gone forever. Oh, freak. Where did that go? Dang it. It's the second damn C-clip I've lost off of this stupid lock. Alright, well, I'll find it later. Alright. Let's go ahead, finish gutting this, and then I'll go look for my stupid lost C-clip. Alrighty. So in traditional American lock fashion, all of these key pins are serrated. It's got 6 holes drilled, but only 5 pins in the lock. Organize these really quick. Alrighty. Let's take out our driver pins. Got a spool in 1, or serrated spool, excuse me. Serrated spool in 2. Serrated spool in 3. Come on. No, I didn't want the springs. There's the serrated pin from 4. And our serrated pin from 5. Dump out all the springs. I'll just go ahead, line these all up. Alrighty. Let's get a nice tight close-up of all of these pins. There we go. So we can see serrated spool in 1, serrated spool 2, serrated spool in 3, standard serrated in 4 and 5. And then again, in typical American lock fashion, nothing fancy going on with the core, with the plug, no countermilling, no threading, anything like that. And same for the cylinder itself. Nothing fancy going on in there. We'll go ahead and zoom back out. Oh, there we go. And then let's put her back together, minus the C-clip that I've shot across my room somewhere. We'll just drop all the springs back in. You could probably tell, but some of these springs were bent. It's because I goofed up the gutting a couple of times. Even though I had it all on video, the camera decided that it didn't really want to save any of my footage. So all of that got deleted. And so here we are. Attempt number, I don't know, probably 5 or 6 of getting this thing on video. So hopefully we'll be good to go this time. Gotta make sure we put these serrated pins in the right way. That's gonna be the way we want to do it. Alrighty, that's that. Go ahead and drop our key pins back in. Excellent, and let's make sure our key works. Looks like we'll be good to go. Oh shit, using the wrong end of the follower. Oh well, should be just fine. Just like that. Perfect. Alrighty. Let's see, everything still works. I'm not going to put it back in the lock body because I don't have a C-clip on the back. And that's going to be bad. Because you'll unlock the lock and then you try to pull it out and, well, it's going to be bad times. So, let me get this back out. Get my key back out. And as you can see, we got everything back together. Cylinder still turns. And all of our key pins are present in the bottom. Anyways, that's all that I have for you today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And until next time, have a good day. Alrighty, so I'm slicing this in at the end of the video because I did end up finding the C-clip on my floor. So we'll go ahead and just finish the rest of this rebuild. Slide the C-clip back on the back of the cylinder. Drop the whole thing right back down into the keyhole, or into the hole. Drop the plate on. Drop the screw in, or the bolt, I guess. Drop the screw in. Set that down there. And then we just tighten her up. Give it a lock. And we have a functioning padlock again.